Hey guys, I'm Dave, and I just want to give a quick shout out to Todd Zimmerman over at Carbon Tech Tools. He helped me with a couple items that I had that were broke, and he gave me a little bit of an upgrade. So just want to show you guys what I have in case you might be interested in it yourself. This is a door hanger from Carbon Tech, and this is the upgraded version right here. So they gave some upgraded straps that articulate and makes it really nice. This is the original one. They do not rotate side to side like that. So what started this all is I broke one of these straps. I was pushing way too hard on my hail rod, and it finally gave out at several years old. So Carbon Tech sent me 2 new straps, but they also sent me 2 of these brand new articulating straps. And this right here is X-tape. I put that on myself. That's a little bit of an upgrade to keep my tool from sliding. I'll show you that later. But what I want to show you is how this moves. Here's some more. Oh, they gave me some Carbon Tech swag, big old sticker that's going on the toolbox for sure. And I'm going to show you how I upgraded all of these. So these are the original straps, and then these are the ones that rotate, and they rotate to allow you to get in the doors and shut that thing a little easier, which it definitely does. So the first thing I'm going to do is I got the new strap in there, but I need to put some new X-tape on here. I get this from Amazon, and essentially it's heat shrink. So you put it on there and then you heat it up with a heat gun, and it tightens up really nice. And then what this does is it just keeps my tool from sliding when I'm using like a Carbon Tech hail rod. It just sets up a little nicer, and it looks kind of cool too. So they sell in different colors. One's black, one's blue. This is what the door looks like inside. So you can see on that A-pillar there, it really articulates up to allow for the shape of the door, which is nice. The other one works just fine too, but this one's a real upgrade, and makes it a little easier to adjust. It keeps that level quite a bit more, and I'm really enjoying this. So it looks really nice. I appreciate Carbon Tech sending me these updated straps. I was kind of like one of the first ones to get it, I think, before it came on the market, and I appreciate him letting me try it out. So these are really good. Okay, so that's my new upgraded hanger. I think it's really cool. It's unfortunate that it broke, but it wasn't, I don't think it was the tool's fault that it broke. It was me pushing way too hard on something. And I thank Todd again for sending me out all the tools to rebuild it. The reason why it broke in the first place was not any fault of the tool. It was me really laying on something, and it finally just gave out. So I appreciate him sending out the replacement straps, and he sent them out no charge. So that was really cool. So I'll be sure to buy some more of his products in the future, and I hope you guys do the same. Have a great day.